baby. Ooh, baby. baby. Ooh, baby. I knew this wig was gonna be snapping. Okay, I don't have the details, but we're gonna get into it and we're gonna talk about this wig because it's giving me everything I needed to give. And I'm gonna definitely film tomorrow's vlog in this wig. This wig ain't coming out tonight. Okay, so first of all, before we even get into it, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I just want you guys to know I am just so thankful and so appreciative of you guys supporting me, clicking on my videos, and just, you know, supporting your girl. You know, I'm just very, very appreciative, and I just want to say thank you so much, because you do not have to click on today's video. You did not have to click on today's video. You do not have to support your girl, but you do. So before I even drop the tea on this wig, I want to give a big shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring this bomb ass wig. RPGSHOW, what are you doing? Because you about to fuck it up. First of all, I'm gonna be back in the camera a little bit today because I really need y'all to get into today's look. Like, I've done a couple of wig videos that look similar to this color, but baby, it's just something about this wig that got me really feeling myself right now. Seriously, you guys have seen me rock a wig that is similar to this color, where in particular the blonde highlight is strictly in the front. Now I will say with this wig, the highlights is just mainly in the front of the hair. It's not necessarily throughout the hair. So I don't know what's going on right now, but on camera the highlights is looking kind of gray, but the highlights is actually blonde. So the obvious, the lace. The lace is absolutely beautiful. I did not do anything to the hairline on this wig. I left it alone. The only thing I did was I went in and bleached the knots. Honestly, I did not have to do that because I felt like the knots were bleached pretty good. But I just wanted to be sure because I knew this wig had color to it. I wanted to make sure the lace blended. And of course, I wanted to make sure there was no knots visible on this lace. It frustrates me when companies will do like these beautiful color wigs, or like will have a beautiful wig in general, like a texture or something like that, and then they don't deliver on the lace. Like the lace is a regular lace, or it's not pre-plucked, or it's not bleached. Like they will just drop the ball at the lace. And you guys know how I feel about a wig. Like the lace is the #1 important thing to me. That is the most important thing, is the lace, because the lace is going to be a dead giveaway if you are rocking a wig. I am just loving the way RPGSHOW has stepped it up with their wigs. I have said this in all of the videos that I have reviewed this year from them, because I am just not capping. I love how they have just came in and shut it down. Do you hear me? They have upgraded the quality. Now, I will say this, the quality has never really been bad, but their wigs have been a little bit on the thin side. And you girls know I love me a full, thick wig, especially when it comes to straight hair. You girls know this. But baby, these last few wigs I've been reviewing for them this year, honey, it's like with COVID, they hit the reset button and they came back hard. Girl, when I tell you, look at that. Did you see that? Did you just see what that just did? This is the look. Wish I had somewhere to go today, but I don't. Today is Sunday, so I'll be at home. It's 3 o'clock. I'm about to stop filming today. Like I said, this is going to be the wig for the week, for the next 2 days. And you guys are definitely going to see this in a vlog because we vlogging tomorrow, baby. Okay, y'all. So, I honestly don't even have anything else to say about this wig. The simple fact that it's staying on until Tuesday and I'm vlogging in it, baby, this is a wig. This is the wig. The tea will be below in the description bar as far as like where I got this wig from, the length, type of lace, all that good stuff will be in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys, you already know, in the next video. Peace.